Sankofa. Find out name a bed abaka.
Bed.
A bed. Find out name a bed.
The meaning.
Hungry.
Is it the meaning?
A bed.
The meaning.
Hey.
There be a bed.
Okay.
Bird.
There be me say a bed.
It's just look for it.
A bed. I did like a bed.
Meaning.
How not to G?
See?
A bed at the end.
See? See? Problem. More. Are you for real?
A bed.
Proverb.
Bremeka say me book bed. Book
Pronoun.
bed.
I'm breaking a eyesight of proverb.
If you wait.
Is that a C? No, it's is it an eyesight of proverb? Eyesight of proverb.
Remove bed.
I'm breaking a proverb. What?
Me book bed.
That's what I said.
So that's the I break proverb.
Yes, I said that.
And see, you have to someone say, I go.
Amen.
Go. Yeah.
Keep quiet.
Go. Yeah. Find on him a banner. Sankofana, I want a bed. I got a
You already have it.
But the two types is
Yeah, that's right.
you now want a bed. And the assembly will be sound and say, I did not a Sankofana.
They all have
Yeah,
They all have one proverb. So, what is the proverb? A banner, yeah.
Go back and see.
What? No, that's not what it means. Is it a
Yeah, Sankofana.
I remember our this was very and I was I remember one.
I don't know what it is.
Also, now we're saying Kofa. Yeah, exactly what's right.
Hey, Sammy.
So we're going to
I just remembered it.
If it's sour, but say, do a chair,
Oh no.
and
No. You asked just 3 times.
but say, and yeah, I pin my chair on the sour.
I said that.
I'll go! If you mind, can't say Refi. Oh, you know,
It's it. That's free as it.
so Refi knows some papa, you cheat. I got so Refi. So Refi. Now some papa,
Now Kofa.
you cheat.
Yenji.
So Refi. Now some papa, you cheat.
Yenji.
So Refi knows some papa, you cheat.
Yeah, the only thing I know
So Refi.
So Refi.
Now some papa.
Yenji. So Refi now some fire Yenji.
Moya, yes. Iti, wait, or
Sanko.
some papa. Ah, Mama. Say, dear, she and Bethan so kind. We saw.
Go savage.
Wait, you know
start, I want to be you, man.
I know, right?
What is
They're not
that?
going to ask you, you got to respond.
I'll say what it means. Look at me copy and shit.
Sans papa.
And yeah, she has the ass here.
Sans papa.
I don't know what meant to be correct.
Sans papa.
Oh. And see, much wrong talk.
It's mine.
Much wrong talk.
Right? No, you don't have it. You know, right? Yeah, I know.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which one is this?
And see, I didn't know about that.
But I just remembered.
Which one is this?
And jump from the foot and jump from the foot.
Wait, I don't remember that one like the.
And see, I know you're never. So some of you are saying, well, I just remembered it. That's what the proverb is all about. So if you know some papa,
Please stop making them jokes.
so if you know some papa, and see, Saturday night I was in the booth. So this is the time that I should cite this proverb. Because some of you say, oh, we did it. But when I asked you about it, no one remembered. So this means that you should do what? Some papa.
Go and take it.
Right.
I think so. Oh, it's right. By the way, remember the time when we were doing the different symbols? And then we already learned it when these people weren't here and we just
So if you know some papa.
yeah, but we already did
So
it.
if you know some papa.
Even I did all that stuff.
So if you know some papa.
When you finish, call me out. Oh, that's the days of the week and the days of the month. I know it. These are days of the month. Yeah. Days of the month. It's a month. It's the days of the year. Month of the year. It's month of the year. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. We learned this at home. Okay, Paul, Ojifo, Opening. Everyone the days of the year. Everyone the numbers on the behind you. Oh, yeah, we can walk over. Osana. It's Osana.
Sing the song, sing the song, sing the song.
The ABC.
Amo!
Why I did? Leave him alone. The door is open, but that's what he does.
Yes, don't mind him. You should stay there for the whole day.
You know what? So you know.
Oporicio.
Ọ̀pẹ̀pọ̀ òjèfó ọ̀bẹ̀nìm òfurufú ọ̀kan ìmà àyẹ̀wò mímú ìgbàwọ́ta ọ̀kànà ẹ̀kọ́ àhínìmí òkúkú ọ̀bẹ̀nìmà. Ọ̀pẹ̀pọ̀ òjèfó ọ̀bẹ̀nìm òfurufú ọ̀kan ìmà wàbẹ̀nà nàókì. Ọ̀pẹ̀pọ̀ òjèfó ọ̀bẹ̀nìm òfurufú ọ̀kan ìmà àyẹ̀wò ọ̀mọ̀mọ̀ ìgbàwọ́ta ọ̀kànà ẹ̀kọ́ àhínìmí òkúkú. Okay. No one else is singing. Ago! Come sit here. Grab it to that.
Come sit over there. Come sit over there. I gave chewing gum.
Hey, this is your chair.
No, it's not.
This is your chair.
No, it's not.
Ago! Ago! Ọ̀pẹ̀pọ̀ òjèfó ọ̀bẹ̀nìm Trace.
Trace Braha.
What?
Come and sit down. Bring a chair.
King, slide this way some.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Joseph.
Ebiom, kwabena kuma, grab it to the anima. I told you, no. Ọ̀pẹ̀pọ̀ òjèfó ọ̀bẹ̀nìm òfurufú ọ̀kan ìmà àyẹ̀wò ọ̀mọ̀mọ̀ kòtàwọ́nsá ọ̀kànà ẹ̀kọ́ àhínìmí òkúkú ọ̀bẹ̀nìmà òkúkú ọ̀bẹ̀nìmà òkúkú ọ̀bẹ̀nìmà òkúkú ọ̀bẹ̀nìmà ọ̀pẹ̀pọ̀ òjèfó ọ̀bẹ̀nìm òfurufú ọ̀kan ìmà. Ama, muito muito na o. Ebiam, mas o Juma, Ọ̀pẹ̀pọ̀ òjèfó ọ̀bẹ̀nìm òfurufú ọ̀kan ìmà àyẹ̀wò ọ̀mọ̀mọ̀ kòtàwọ́nsá ọ̀kànà ẹ̀kọ́ àhínìmí òkúkú ọ̀bẹ̀nìmà.
Hallelujah.
Who wants to come here and sing?
Me. After me.
What do you kind of talk to me?
Wow.
No.
Participating in this class. So Allah will sing a song, and if you like, you can join her in the chorus. So she is the lead singer, you're the chorus. And go.
No, I'm not.
It's annoying. Yeah, that's the one that people do it to you, you know. Hey, Chris. Chris.
Not like him. I make everybody like him.
I don't really care about tongues.
Who did you make up? I don't know.
Seriously, who does this in the world to annoy you?
I know.
Make you laugh, but don't make me annoying.
Everyone.
He only makes me laugh.
In its internet.
Not annoying.
I know.
He just said,
No, you're not right now.
you have to really like
You're breaking the leg.
Yes, sir.
Come on, yeah. Moi, grand, c'est mon métier. À cause de Jack. À cause de Moi, grand, c'est le chien. Bajo, mino, piensa, en el quieto yo, mino, piensa, en guapi, en donde you bajo, you mino, you piensa, you nai, you no, you sia, you un son, you guapi, you en front, you no, quieto. Wasiada, Ezada, Uziada, Yawada, Ijada, Mimila, Wasiada, Ezada, Mimila, Uziada, Yawada, Ijada.
hold your head. Don't look at the board.
So when someone says akwaba, what you're thinking is that when someone says welcome, you say thank you. G isn't structured like English. When someone says akwaba, you respond to them based on what their age is in relation to you. So as children, you could say yaoba.
Yaoba.
Everyone get your books out. What do you everybody get your book out.
To do what?
Are we on this page? The same page? You already read it. No, the other side.
This is why we call it review before we continue to the next page. Me say Kratapai Kosunum, page 5.
The page that we was on last week.
Huh? And how do we greet in the morning? Today I told you, just as we sang the song. Say just so.
Hey, I'm sitting here.
Amo! Me say! Say yeah, chia my chia. Say, now you just so. Yeah, and you ready? Majo. And you ready, everybody? What time is and you ready?
5, 6, 6. I said it. 6 to 7.
Same. How do we read? Say now just so. And you ready? So you shall say my joy. Say now just so. How do you respond to my joy? My income. And I don't swear. Majo. Same na ya just so. Yeah, Jamaica. Yeah.
Yena. Yena. After the part in the I shall part one.
What does this mean?
Join.
On this side.
Hey, bread, that's the time of day. I'm a part and we are in the break. I'm a joke.
We'll show you. Yes, come. Yes. We need to.
Abo! You are doing classwork right now. You are filling in the blank. Bread, I'm a part.
Pen or pencil? In the book.
I don't have a pencil.
If it's your own book, you choose.
Okay. So, we can write. Hey, what are we supposed to do? You're right.
You're filling in the blank just as we said 20 times. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. And then everyone asks if you do it in pen or pencil. And after we decided you can use pen or pencil, then you say, what are we doing?
Stephanie. I heard.
You did. Coffee for my
Hey, do you write in the blank on your own piece of paper?
You can do it in the book if it's your own book. If you are borrowing someone else's book, then don't write it in the book.
I'm finished.
You see, they need to write in the book. So that
Money, your
I'm done.
yeah.
I'm finished.
oh, come sit in.
Why am I in the back?
No, I started there.
Write it on your own paper.
That's my book now.
Whose book is which one?
That's my
Let me see.
life.
This is mine. I'll put my name.
If you have a move, if you have a move,
Finish.
yeah.
Finish.
Yeah. Oh. Walk away. Walk away. Yeah. Dear.
Where's your book?
Where's your book? You do have
Was it illegal?
Yes.
I want this. Bye.
You have my Okay, but the same
What do you mean? Stop.
the hospital. Why did the car go to the hospital? Why did you say hospital? It's not. Besides so. It's still water. Because of the kidney stuff. Starting to get annoying.
Everything that you see as an example has to do with this project. Ago! 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 Oh, yeah. Why not? A person of kind of way. I discussed to me.
Wait, does it start on Sunday? That's Sunday, right?
It starts on Sunday and it ends on Sunday.
I'm not even gonna go there. This
Ago! Papa na, dapat sanaha. Ave. Alia Efia. Efia. Alia. Alia Efia. Efia. Yo Efia. Efia. Efia pakai apa tu? Ago, Ayla, obi kain ngoma misrao. Tie.
I'll read it.
Yeah.
Because
Mo.
nobody else is
You might don't know.
Molly is there inside. But it can't be
Mo. Abe mimi nimepesa kai. Imfoni ya wa asie ya nyoma a ye hono wo mukase. Wo kyerɛkyerɛ ne beboa wo ma wo akɔ bia din. Na wa kyerɛ wo bia ye de bia ye. Ama kai. Wo ye bia wo ye bi wo ha. Wo ye bra. Yeba nya botra. Wo ya ama mama. No kai. Kana guys ye tio. Bo. Passo bien. Supoa. Olha o Tafroboto.
This.
Tafroboto. Number.
And funny, well, I said, hi,
What is the wedding?
Chirani. Biadin. Mo. Mauli. Odoroso, kai. You go down. Uche ya chango mauli ya chango mauli obia chango. But you need to be listening when people are reading. Because when you're seeing this, everyone's saying to that training, when you're looking at it, you're not Mauli, you go down. Mauli, come home.
They should know how to speak something, guys.
Yengo.
Making noise.
Ago. Mauli, Kozulu. Mukasi. Yeah. Yeah. So the R isn't pronounced in Bia. So I've said that more than 10 times. More in my time. Find some view. Lito. I'm not going to make a show. You say free or call?
Call. Infoni a ewo asie ha iye mama a ye gumo. Mokase. Wo chehwe ni bebua wo ma wa bo biara din na biadin na wa chere wo die ye di bia ye
No, you might come on. What's the no person here? Okay, da. Is the American Sekama? Okra sekame yo de koye denye. Okra sekame yo de kodiagro. Okra sekame yo de okra denye. Okra sekame yo de kodiagro. Okra sekame yo de koye denye. Asu jeje yo de kodiagro. Okra sekame yo de koye denye. Asu jeje. Okra sekame odeke yedenye asio yeye odeko diabro. Okra sekame odeko yedenye asio yeye odeko diabro. Okra sekame odeko yedenye asio yeye odeko diabro. Okra sekame odeko yedenye okra mohile odeko diabro.
There are some people who speak Chi as their first language. There are other people who speak Chi as their second language. The majority of Ghanaians either speak it as their first language or second language. But Ghanaians who live in places that are not close to Chi-speaking regions, some of them don't speak Chi at all. Yes.
So, you should speak it and see if they know how to speak it. Just sit on your room. It's not my fault to speak it. Yes, it is. No, it's not my fault. You can talk about it. It's a Ghanaian language.
Yes, we are Diomu. We are trying to learn a song, so let's do this.
I don't want to sing a song about that. It's so nice.
Too late. Oh, classic
Maybe I'm.
Oh, my goodness.
So this is a listening activity. So the way I sing it is the way you also sing it. When I do a variation, you have to do that one too. The first one that we are learning. Okrasekame, odeko yedenie, esiu jebie, odeko diagro.
Can you
Okrasekame, repeat after me. Okrasekame, odeko yedenie. Let's draw those first two parts. Okrasekame, odeko yedenie. It's going to do what with it? It takes it to do what? Odeko yedenie. Odeko yedenie. Tie. Bibia me cambia musmunga. Okrasekame. 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 Odeko yedenie. Odeko yedenie. Odeko yedenie. Okrasekame. Odeko diagro. Okrasekame. Odeko yedenie. Okrasekame. Odeko diagro. Okrasekame. Okrasekame. Odeko Okrasekame. Odeko yedenie. Okrasekame. Odeko diagro. So now we'll try all together. Okrasekame. Odeko yedenie. Okrasekame. Odeko diagro. Nana Kwame say, Odeko yedenie. Nana Kwame say, Okrasekame. Nana Kwame say, Odeko diagro. Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry.
Sorry, you out.
Nana Kwame say, Montanati.
He's not feeling well.
Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry.
You sit down.
I'm sorry already.
Nana Kwame say, Montanati.
We're always.
Nana Kwame say, Momotam. Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Nana Kwame say, Monkoto.
Oh, sorry.
Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry.
Everybody. Hey, you all talk.
Nana Kwame say, Chamonsia.
Are we starting again?
Hey, keep your eyes straight. Sit down.
No, you were afraid. You was
Nana Kwame say.
You up.
Nana Kwame say Mombri.
You're out.
Mombri.
Where's your sock?
Clap, everybody, clap.
Nana Kwame say.
I didn't jump.
What?
Nana Kwame say. Nana Kwame say. Nana Kwame say.
Your hands up.
Nana Kwame say. Nana Kwame say. Nana Kwame say.
Everybody should sit down.
Nana Kwame say. Nana Kwame say.
Can I get in again?
Mombri.
I did not jump.
I jumped 2 times.
Mombri.
I heard her.
Nana Kwame say Mombri. Mombri. Nana Kwame say Mama Monsaso. Mama Monsam. Nana Kwame say to me, Mama. Nana Kwame say to me, when him.
You're out.
That's your whole face. I thought that was your eyes.
No, when
Say eyes.
Not
Nana Kwame say to me, when he.
not when
It's something.
Nana Kwame say to me, was Nana Kwame say to me, yam.
You're out. You're out there. Sit down. You just sit down. I did not jump. Sit down.
Nana Kwame say to me, come here. Nana Kwame say, come here. Nana Kwame say, let me one answer. Nana Kwame say, Mon sorry. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsaso.
But Nana Kwame, is he Indian, Pakistan, or what?
He's in Egypt, but he looked like he was with the
He's an Arab. Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry.
He's Arab now.
Nana Kwame say, Monkoto.
Indian.
Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry. Nana Kwame say, Monkoto. Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry. Nana Kwame say, Monsam.
But why?
Monkoto.
I feel like he should
Nana
be
Kwame say, I'm
out.
sorry. Nana Kwame say, Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Monsaso.
Now he's out.
Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry. Nana Kwame say, Mombri.
Oh
Nana
no.
Kwame say, Mombri. Nana Kwame say, Mombri. Nana Kwame say, Monsaso. Nana Kwame say Mama Sam. Nana Kwame say Mama Faso. Nana Kwame say Mama Sam. Nana Kwame say Mama Faso. Okay, come here. I'm sorry. Nana Kwame say, yeah, Nana Assassin. Nana Kwame say, Mojana, Mama, you. Nana Kwame say, I do mean it was also. Nana Kwame say, Nina Krason, Koto, Granny. Nana Kwame say, at the end, Bramo, then my assassin, Atom say,
We keep on saying now. Can I play? No. You weren't singing.
Now, come and say, Mama Sam.
Why don't you even think that is raise your hand? I know, right?
Now, come and say, I'm sorry. Now, come and say,
Sit down.
Mutsa.
Sit down. I'm supposed to be talking to my
Now, come and say, Mama Sam. Nana Kwame say Mon Koto. Nana Kwame say Mon Treme Mokene.
Hey, you're out.
Put my hand down. You put my hand down. You put my hand down.
Junior, you're out.
I'm sorry.
Sit down. I'm out. You're out. Sit down.
You do what?
You're out. Lunchtime. You're out. It's lunchtime. No, it's out. Sit down.
Nana Kwame say Mon Tumre can go on here.
What? No, please don't move to the door.
Maogi, Maoli.
You're out. Sit down, Molly. Molly, you're out. Molly, you're out.
Already out.
I think you so have never since you found the coaster. To give me hugs.
Well, Kubra.
And you're just
Well, Kubra.
You're just licking hands. Nana Kwame say, Mama Sam. Nana Kwame say, Mama Sasso. Nana Kwame say, Mama Sasso. Oh, I said I was
sorry.
But everybody was out and I'm the one. So we're starting over.
We started up a long time ago.
Oh, we did?
Kwame say, I'm sorry.
Hey, you're out. This is started over? No, sorry.
Nana Kwame say, Mama Mosani Papa.
Hey, Ali, you're out. Sit down. You're out, Shara. You're out.
Nana Kwame said,
Sabe o punto.
You this guy. What? Stop him.
Now, what we say? Some of us down.
Now put it on. Put it on.
Move, read.
Put it down.
I need 2 people. Who won? What me say?
Me. No. Anna.
You won once.
Anna
did.
Won
once. So.
He never won. No, he's out. He's not right. No, he's not. He's a cheater.
English.
It's sitting right here.
That's incorrect.
Wow.
That's English. I'll go. I'll go. I'll go. We're about to play again. In the game, whoever can answer my question gets a point. The first one up to Inum.
Five? Oh, you mean? Wait, that's not right. Actually, this is I don't know the first.
They won, let me see.
I'm coming. That's not fair. This is. We did 10.
Ago! Yenara, assassin.
Good job. Oh,
Those are the two who are going right now. The first-
no. We said be quiet, Fred.
Open phone or your phone, open him.
Is there a tiebreaker?
Don't say it.
Ago! Ago! Waziada, Edwada, Benada.
He raised his hands up first. It's a competition. It's not serious.
Minu yahin.
And
Mojanana no Diego.
Mama, he got one more point till he win. You don't even care. What is it?
I'm saying,
What is your issue? No. It's just like.
everybody is in my So now someone has to go against the
No.
Okay, who's going? What the heck?
So why you gotta be so hard?
It's a game. There's no doesn't mean you have to get so angry at someone. No, me.
Why is you doing so much? I don't even know what you're saying.
Ago! What was saying?
No. No.
Martin? Treme. What's your name?
She showed it, but he raised his hand.
You have to raise your
You have to raise your hand. And for everything, you have to raise your hand. That's what we're doing.
Hey, put your hand down.
Treme.
Junior. Look what he's doing. Put your hand on your lap.
Treme Wasson?
Aaliyah. That was me. That was Aaliyah.
It was Aaliyah. Junior. Who is that? Who is that?
Okrasgame.
You know that's his book. No, tell him that that's his book. What did you say?
This is the last line. This is the Diablo.
Who's the one to turn?
What?
Come on,
Umani dia hunu jai.
He raised his hand before you answered the question.
I don't get it. We know.
Minu ni minu yai.
Your hand down. He's cheating. Junior cheat.
Yeah.
You're doing this.
He's doing this and he's raising his hand before you even finish the question. He's cheating. Can we just have our hands on our laps and wait till you finish the whole question before we raise it? He raised all the points. That's how he won.
Vamos,
Ah!
piensa en el no.
I just want to go against Junior. Somebody need Junior so I can go against them. Yes, I'll beat him. I'm watching you. Cheater.
Yeah.
Call the quick scope.
Abo!
What?
What is that?
Abo! You're supposed to raise your hand and then respond.
No.
That's the first one. Abo!
Do Baba
Same.
pay attention?
Moving in.
That was last year.
You were here last year. So
But
that's
now
it.
that we learned that, they learned it before I came. Oh. You don't break that thing.
What's the end?
Ha ha ha.
Where's one?
That's what's when Kayla would be like, this is Connecticut.
Martin.
Yeah, job.
Can I go next? I'm gonna go next.
Maha.
Yeah, job.
That was this morning.
Let me see look.
You gotta get somebody that's not falling off.
Okay, that's not going on.
That's just what it's you.
I do not.
That's just what it's you.
Hey, see my top 10. Which top?
The whole time. The whole time. What day were you born on?
Tuesday.
Yeah.
I've been sorry. King Rock. What was I about to do?
You do your up and down with 1 hour or 2 hours. Abo!
Oh, we doing it now?
Nice.
I'm watching you.
So what?
Kiana.
Well, she lives in
Miss Hit means where do you live? Miss Friend means where you from.
What's the hand?
He's trying to
Raise your hand up.
I'm gonna scare her.
You said it was cheating.
I didn't say that. I didn't say raising your hand up fast is cheating.
No, I said it.
Stop! Stop! I'm trying to Seriously, you're so mean.
At the time.
No.
It was not that.
It's a yes. It's a yes.
Remember I said it the first time?
No, that was no, what's it saying? You said a yes. It's not.
No, put it on her. No, put it on her.
I just got that point.
You are that part, bro. Okay, can you do okay now?
Grammy. Poisson.
I said it was S. No. No!
You wanted it to be S's, but that wasn't S's.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was junior.
Oh, gracias, Carmen. You didn't wait for me to. Oh, gracias, Carmen.
Oh, that dingy! The dingy! The dingy something.
No, don't.
No, I'm okay. You can give us I don't know.
I just said that.
You said what?
I'm going for
I did
it.
that last time.
And you don't do it last one. Julia.
Remember my you.
Marshall.
Anyone's name.
I love.
You raised your hand before I was done. That's why I didn't follow you.
Come on, Essence. Win this. Kick his butt. I know. Get him out of it.
Do not freak me out.
Sumo.
Carbon ni mensaje. Ani.
Essence. Essence.
Who was that?
It was Essence. It was Essence.
I feel like it was me.
Yeah, it was Essence.
And I.
Yeah. One more point. Come on, Essence. Come on, Essence.
It's a tie.
One more. Come on, Essence.
Shush. Get away.
Put your hands all the way like this.
More.
Yada.
No, it's not me. It's just you.
Sremi. Wonko toje?
No, it's Gina.
It's Junior. Essence.
No.
Who won? I see it. I'll smack your head.
I was so close. Why couldn't you just give it to me?
Because you want to win.
She- The reason I got you a point is because do you
What is that star next to Kwabana's name?
Get away from me. You scared when I'm.
Hey, no, I'm here.
Is that a star right there?
Yes, I know. I just here. I'm just here for fun. I try.
Yes.
Ago!
I'm in. One for me. How do you spell Don't write it. One for me. One point for
There's no
me.
J and G.
One point for Julia. I love 1 point for me. I get 1 point for time. Okay.
At the time, everyone should be here.
Amira, why you got 0 points and he got 2?
I'm the one who.
You can do this.
You can't. He did too.
Aquaba gets one more than he is the winner of the day and he gets the prize.
2 seconds.
3. Mamuti. Eneka. Kamau. 3. Mumra. Monstamo yonko boy. Chirame. Wani.
Get off my seat.
There's some burgundy Jordan stuff.
I'm cheering for
Chirame. Wapono.
It was a big
She didn't do it.
No, she didn't.
Same thing they've been doing.
Chirame. Wason.
So that guy was sitting in the class, like, get up front.
Junior, back up for Junior.
This guy. There you go.
Wait, what were you doing?
You act in class. Good.
King.
Get
King,
up.
do the same thing.
Go, go sit down.
I'm gonna get one again.
Are you doing it?
Good, let me see.
Stop! Get off. Will you eat it?
Good job.
At the time.
Hey, no, it wasn't me. No, it was Junior.
That's like
This was America.
Sometimes my eyeballs work.
You lose again.
no, you can't. Oh, it was the mirror.
Hey, I'm sure. Okay, sorry.
Are you a real?
Yes.
Grace,
Hold up.
how will you learn it if you're not paying attention during the class?
Yeah.
We're saying so many new words that you don't know, and this is a way for you to learn. But instead you're playing on this. Abo!
What's up, dude?
One more.
No, one more.
Okay, I'll go. I'll go.
Three.
No, what is
You have
no?
3.
Oh, she erased
Now you have
Yes,
4.
You erased it. Yes, you did. You erased it. Put that in there.
I'm about to say you have 3, so you have 3.
Now you have 4.
Oh, you trying to
Mieno. No.
Put your
Miensa.
hands on your lap.
Yami. Abo!
Are we done? I can feel my neck. What? Pick me up. Pick me up. You did. Pick me up. Yes, we're in class. You know what? No. She said now. She didn't say later. She didn't say it now later. She said now. I like that kid. No, I'm giving you only one more chance.
Abo!
Okay.
Abo! Abo!
If you can feel
Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry. Nana Kwame say, don't trust it. sorry. Continuasi.
She wasn't sitting down. She was going like this.
Everybody's still sitting.
No, it's just
Nana kwame se mon koto.
Yes, you
Kwame
are.
se mon mosaso.
You are out.
Nana kwame se mon sorry. Mon koto.
Chief.
Nana kwame se mon mosam. Nana kwame alia. Nana kwame abana. Vito konasi. Alia konasi.
Go. Go. Go.
Nana kwame se. Jeremy. When in storm.
Everybody is out, man. Everybody is out.
You don't know your knee song.
Nana kwame se. Jeremy wason.
I did your shit on.
Nana kwame se. Jeremy uhene. That's the whole point of the game is for you to pay attention.
Is he out?
He's out. Come on, you're out. Nana kwame se. Jeremy wa pam pam.
What are you doing here? I'm the
Yes, I said out. No one's
Nana kwame se. Jeremy wa chiko.
He's a Maui. That's what he is.
Nana kwame se.
Go eat that.
Konasi.
Get out.
You're out. Highlights out. Highlights out.
No, I'm not.
You are. You are.
someone
I won. You didn't win. Yes, I did.
Nana kwame se. Mujako.
I won.
You're out.
I won.
You're still talking.
I won.
You are still talking shit.
Nana kwame se mujako.
Out. You know when you kicked me in the
I'm out.
They went outside. Okay. I'm bleeding.
Mujako.
When we talk, you can say soft like that.
Nana kwame se. Mon sorry.
I won. No, I won.
Keep your mouth shut.
I won. I was still in.
Nana kwame se mo momosam. Nana kwame se mo chamonshia. Mo bribi. Nana kwame se mo bribi. Nana kwame se mo bribi.
No.
Bribi. Mo bribi.
You read
Montanas.
Yes, nothing.
Nana kwame se. Mon koto. Mon sorry.
Nothing.
Nana kwame se mon sorry. Mon Monkoto. Nana Kwame se Momonsam. Monkoto. Monbribri. Nana Kwame se Monbribri. Monbribri.
I'm already out.
Montanasi.
She's confused.
Nana Kwame say. Montremi, Momoma.
Why do you have to scream? He touched his nose first.
Sit down.
Sit straight so I can
Yes.
Nana Kwame say.
Both of y'all sugar, zip up your pants.
Why should you be looking at it, huh?
I'm not, you were like this. I looked at you.
What here?
Nana Kwame say. Monyako. Nana Kwame say. Monkasa.
How are you?
Nana Kwame say Monyako. Nana Kwame say Monkasa. Nana Kwame say Monyako. Nana Kwame say. Momonsam. Onjai. Nana Kwame.